Hey guys, this is JBL Charge 5 and this one is JBL Flip 6. JBL Charge 5 is 20 hours of playtime, IP67 power bank, JBL PartyBoost, and this is JBL Flip 6, 12 hours of playtime, IP67, JBL PartyBoost. So this is the PartyBoost here. These two speakers deserves your attention. Can see what JBL Flip 6 looks like. So Charge 5 is bigger in terms of the size. Going to switch this speaker on, and it's on. Charge 5, you switch it on from here, then select Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on, looking for available Bluetooth device, and Flip 6, switch the Bluetooth on. The Bluetooth is on, looking for available Bluetooth device. So we're going to connect these two speakers. You can connect these two speakers by downloading JBL Portable app. Go to the Play Store and download JBL Portable app. Turn Bluetooth on. So allow Bluetooth. Go to your phone settings. Go to connections. Switch Bluetooth on. JBL Charge 5 and Flip 6 is available. Select. And it's connected. Charge 5 is connected. So select JBL Flip 6. Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. And it's connected. So both of these two speakers are connected via Bluetooth. Now go to JBL Portable app and you can see the two speakers here. The two speakers are available. So you can do so many things. Add speakers. So the speaker is added, then add the second one. So now these two speakers, you can see, so these two speakers are linked together. If you see, one is on the right and the other one is on the left side. Play music on the speaker connected to your phone to start the party. So these two speakers now are connected together. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Go to saved music. Beautiful.
I would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that. but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Judge me and I'll make you understand. Yeah. Do you know the things you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Let me take you under when nobody can see. I just wanna dance, dance, dance with you. Harder than the summer, so put your hands on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, on me. Put your hands on me, on me, small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me.
When the speaker is in a party boost, the equalizer will be in a balance. Speakers will stay in balance equal. For best sound, when party boost mode is activated, adjust the equalizer, then you need to turn off the party mode.
I wanna freak you out now, but baby, all I think about is you and me up in a tree, yeah. You whisper something in my ear, the only thing I wanna hear. Oh, you tell me that you think about us, K-I-S-S-I-N-G, yeah. I go and pay at the bar, you Don't think twice, baby, sit tight. 'Cause we gotta kill the vibe. Don't be shy, stay the whole night. 'Cause we gotta kill the vibe. Yeah. See the fireplace is good to go. Hear the love songs on the radio. All I wanted was to take you home. 'Cause we gotta kill the vibe. Yeah. I'll do whatever you want. It's all good to pull you down. I might not give you my heart, but you get out the rest of me. Don't think twice, baby, sit tight.
Beautiful. These two speakers deserves your attention.
Money is a bitch in it. I don't wanna think about it. So if you know the song, sing it. 'Cause I need it. Take me to a place where the music's loud. I don't wanna think about time. Flashing lights rolling through the crowd. I don't ever wanna stop. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to fucking drop it with you now. With you now. Tear the roof off every building. I know I'll be spending millions with you. Just tell me what you want to do. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to spend it all.
If you want to quit party together, then you select particular speaker. Now you select the particular one. This is flip 6. Select quit party, and it's off. The speaker is no longer connected. So if you want to quit the party, then you select the speaker, select quit party, and they are no longer linked together. If you want to add them again, then you select the speaker to party together, and both of them are linked together again. So if you want to quit, select quit, and this one is removed. Select quit party together, and both of them are quit together. Add speakers.
Just tell me what you want to do. So let's get out. Let's get out. I got money in my pocket and I'm about to spend it all.
There we go. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.